Hi, this is the Galaxy F54 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. Now first we should open the Play Store application. Don't forget to sign in. I'll just enter the password out of screen. So after that, just enter in the search pool the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard, click on the swatcher. Tap to OK twice, and after that go back, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, and let's go back. Let's check, and we could see that we just successfully changed the keyboard on our Galaxy device, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.